Hi friends, today in this video, I will show you on this pref board, how to make all-in-one, backlight LED and Zener Diode Tester, using very few components. First you need these two terminal connectors. Place these connectors on board, as input and output connectors. Solder these at its place. Use this 3-pin connector. And place it on board nearby input connector. Take 10 kilo ohms 1 watt resistor, and place it on the center of the board. Now you need a DC voltmeter. Desolder its wires, and solder the pins instead. Place the voltmeter nearby output connector. Now make connections according to the circuit diagram. Circuit diagram will appear in this video, after completing these connections. Here is the circuit diagram for the reference. After completing the soldering process, I will use this 3.7 volt battery as input. But we need a booster to convert output at the higher voltage. For that I first designed the simple circuit diagram, which uses MT3608 with few other components, and converts 3.7 volts to 30 volts with about 2 amperes. Then I converted schematics into the PCB layout. And the PCB is going to be look like this. You can download both circuit diagram and PCB files, link is in video description. In order to manufacture this PCB, go to the video description, and with this link sign up on JLC PCB website. JLC PCB provides easy, affordable, and reliable PCB and PCBA solutions, empowering electronic engineers to develop projects efficiently. Just upload your GBR file here. To get instant quote and order in minutes, it is easy as online shopping. After uploading, you can see the preview of the PCB. JLC PCB offers the 6-layer PCB in affordable prices and with attractive cost-effective discounts. A 6-layer PCB has additional 2 layers compared to the standard 4-layer PCB. The stacking technique reduces the electromagnetic interference and improves the performances of the electronics. Not only this, JLC PCB offers free wire-in pads to optimize routing efficiency, with cost-effective prices without compromising on quality, and delivers in fast turnaround time. Within some days I got my order from JLC PCB delivered. And the quality of the PCBs is amazing, and 5 pieces is for just $2. And now it is time to assemble the PCB. Since we are going to hand solder SMD components, pre-solder each pad of every component, so that it can be easily placed and correctly soldered on its places. And after spending some time with the soldering process, I will clean the PCB with isopropyl alcohol. And here our PCB is looking nice and clean. Since these are two PCBs together, so let's snap the one, and insert into this connector. Use this 3.7 volt battery holder, and connect at input. And use these testing probes, and connect at output. Now take battery, and connect it into the holder. Increase the output voltage by adjusting this potentiometer. And the output probes is safe to short circuit, and display will show the values. Now let's start testing from different LEDs. Here we will test the Zener diode also. You can even test the general purpose diodes too. As you can see, the circuit works perfectly, and is necessary for these applications. So, if you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up. For more useful videos, subscribe the channel. Also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.